Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will guide you through the simple steps to activate your complimentary Disney Plus subscription that comes with your DU Home wireless plan. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. So if you are a DU Home wireless customer, you may be eligible for a 12 months free subscription to Disney Plus, and here is how you can basically activate it. First of all, you will have to check your eligibility. So you need to ensure that your DU Home wireless plans includes the Disney Plus offer. The eligible plans typically include DU Home Starter, DU Home Basic, and DU Home Advanced and DU Home Ultimate. So if you have any of the plans, you are eligible for Disney Plus. After your home service is activated, DU will send you an SMS or email with a unique activation link for Disney Plus. The message is crucial for the next step. Now, once you get that invitation link, you will have to click on that SMS or that email and you will be redirected on the official website of Disney Plus. There you will have to follow further on-screen instructions to create your Disney Plus account and log in if you already have one. Once completed, your 12-month free subscription will be activated. Now you can download Disney Plus app on your device, and from there you just have to log in your account and you can start using it very easily. If you want to know more about this offer, you can come on this page, that is Disney Plus du.ae/Disney Plus. I will also try to put the link of it down in the description so that you could know what perks and benefits you are going to get with this offer. So if this video helped you out, give it a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.